guys, welcome back. So to get this weathered antique looking tray, I used these two cake pans from the Dollar Tree, and I also used some 3 candlestick holders. And to get the look that I wanted, I had to first glue them together, 2 candlesticks together, and I left the single one alone because how it sits at the bottom, but you guys will see how it turns out. But I used some chalk paints. I mixed some brown and black paint together. I'm sorry, I forgot to put the paint in the video, but I got it from Walmart. It's the ones that are 50 cents actually. And I started to do that. I did it dry, and I just went up and down. There was no particular way that I did it. I just wanted to have that old weather look to it, so and rusted look. So I just kind of went all around it, no pattern particular. And I kept doing it until I got the desired look I wanted. So after I did that, I glued the cake pan, one of the cake pans at the bottom to the single candlestick holder, and then I glued the 2 that I put together in the middle, and then a cake pan at the top, and it just turned out so pretty. So to fill this antique tray that I built, I went to Target and to the Dollar Tree, and I went to the bullseye dollar spot in Target. So perfect to put in these trays. So I had no particular order or pattern how I wanted to fill this tray. So I just played around with some of the items that I bought, and I used some things that I already had at home. And I started to fill the tray, guys. The outcome of this tray just turned out just how I imagined it. It is so pretty. It screams fall, and it fits perfectly into my kitchen, guys. And I hope you like it too. If you do, drop me a comment. So for this next project, I wanted to create this towel rack up against my kitchen wall. It was just so bare. So I got this curtain rod actually, and I hung it up on the side of the wall. And I used some Dollar Tree items again, this Farm Fresh sign and this Gather sign, but it still looked plain. So I eventually used this lantern that I had, this floor lantern, and I filled it with some cotton and some flowers, and I put acorns and this nice green and orange pumpkin at the bottom. And I think it just turned out so perfect. It just makes entering my kitchen so much inviting now. I love how this looks. So guys, this is it for my DIY. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. Just click the red button. You'll get all of my notifications and we'll become friends instantly. Hope to see you next time. Bye.